In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in Mailchimp. The footer is that section at the very bottom of your email that usually includes things like your physical address, unsubscribe link, and sometimes your social media icons. It's important because it keeps your emails looking professional and compliant with email marketing regulations, but it's also a great place to reinforce your brand. So let's walk through exactly how to update it. First, log into your Mailchimp account and head over to the Campaigns area. At the top of your dashboard, click on Campaigns, then choose All Campaigns. This is where you'll see a list of all the campaigns you've created so far. Next, find the campaign whose footer you want to edit. Once you've located it, click on it and then choose Edit. This will open up the campaign builder where you can work on the design and content of your email. Inside the campaign builder, look for the section called Content. Go ahead and click Content, then select Edit Design. This will take you into the Email Layout Editor, where you can see all the different blocks that make up your email, such as headers, images, text, and of course the footer. Scroll down to the very bottom of the email layout and click on the footer block. It's usually clearly labeled and sits at the very end of the template. Once you click it, a settings panel will open on the side of the screen. Here, you'll see two important tabs, Content and Style. Start with the Content tab if you want to update the text or the merge tags. This is where you can customize things like your company name, address, contact information, or any short legal text you want to include. Be careful not to remove required elements like the unsubscribe link, since those are needed to keep your emails compliant. When you're happy with the text, switch over to the Style tab. This is where you can adjust the look and feel of the footer, including colors, fonts, font sizes, and spacing. Try to match these settings with the rest of your email design so your footer feels consistent with your brand. Once you've made your changes, click Save and Close. This will apply your updates to the footer and take you back to the overall email layout. From there, you can preview and test your email to make sure everything in the footer looks exactly how you want before sending it out.